Before you begin, remove the access panel. Note, the fan diverter rear is only available with HP Z240 SFF G4 workstation PCs that feature a 65-watt AC adapter as shown here. Removal. Rotate the fan diverter rear in an upward position. Lift the fan diverter rear out of the holes in the chassis. Remove the fan diverter rear. Replacement. Align the tabs on the fan diverter rear with the two holes on the chassis. Insert the two clips on the fan diverter rear into the holes on the chassis. Rotate the fan diverter rear downwards onto the heatsink and fan assembly.